Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Human Nation, and today we will be going over more of the katakana. Let's see. We just finished, I think, lesson 3, so we're going to go to lesson 4.
Ta,
That's how you write ta, apparently.
chi,
Chi,
ta, su,
su. That looks like, I don't remember what it was, darn it.
te,
Te. Te looks pretty easy. And then my dog's coming up to me. Hey, buddy. Chi,
chi,
su.
su,
Really? Te.
te,
Hi. Wondering what that gurgling noise is over there, bud? I have my humidifier on in the corner of my bed, by the corner of my bed, so he's looking at that like, what in the world is this? He's a big German Shepherd, so. Okay, let's see. Let's get back to the... Ah, Chase, stop sliding me. Really? Okay. Te, chi, su,
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 chi,
chi, ta,
to,
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 ta, oh, te,
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 to,
to, ta.
ta,
Okay. Shoot. Su?
su,
Yes, I got it. Ta,
ta,
te,
te,
chi.
chi,
Oh, lovely. Oh, okay, I know this.
te,
No, I don't, apparently.
su, su,
That. Su. Ta, to, te.
chi, te, ta, to,
Last one. Okay,
su,
su,
ta,
ta,
to,
to, and chi.
chi.
Okay, we did lesson 4. Next episode we'll do lesson 5. But let's go back to this. Let's go to lesson 1. Let's do classic mode, since you guys have never seen this. Oh man, they changed the pictures. Oh, and they kind of look worse. Why did they do that? Ugh. Okay. Select Japanese. I guess this is supposed to be Chinese. And this right here is supposed to be Chinese.
中国人、
Chugokujin.
日本人、
Oh, they have animations to them. No wonder they look worse. They're supposed to be simplified.
アメリカ人、
Americajin.
イギリス人、
Girisujin. Oh, shoot. I should probably change something. There you go. There we go. That's better. That way we are relying on the Romanji to teach us. See?
日本人、
Now we have to look at the hiragana. Nihonjin. So that's what it looks like. Apparently this is what Americans look like. Americajin. Americajin.
アメリカ人、日本人、
Nihonjin.
アメリカ人。こんにちは。
Konnichiwa. Okay, so this is teaching us different things, not just nationalities, but this is hello, which I actually already know that there's different hellos for different times of day. We say hi or hello in the morning, evening, and afternoon, but they say things like konnichiwa, konbanwa, and ohayo gozaimasu, I think it is. Igirisujin. Chinese. 中国人。
アメリカ人。
アメリカ人。Oh, shoot. I picked the wrong one. This is Igirisujin. I didn't read it.
アメリカ人。
アメリカ人. That one's easy.
アメリカ人。
Goodbye. Let me see if I can read this without listening to it. So, goodbye. Sayo na. Wait, sayo nada. Sayonara.
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 Sayonara. British. Okay, this is this American, because you can tell because there's an A in front of it. This is Igirisujin is British. America. Let's see. We're looking for American. Igirisujin. Nihonjin. And let's see. What was Gokukujin? Chugokujin. That's what it was.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. So we're looking for kon within nichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Okay, so that's konnichiwa. What's this one?
Arimasen.
Arimasen. That's negative.
Hajime.
Hajime. Okay, I'm not sure what that one or the last one meant, but I know this is the negative form of des, because we learned that in the last video.
Konnichiwa.
And this is hello. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Japanese. Oh, come on! Don't do this to me! Okay, Japanese is Nihonjin. So, ni ho.
Ho. Ji.
That must be G because it's the one with the, what's it called? Quotations. There we go.
Nihonjin.
Nihonjin.
Amerikajin.
Oh, great. Thank you. Ma. Where's ma? Oh, God. America.
Amerikajin.
I don't know. I just know that one's last. Okay, what did I do wrong? So I got the first and last right. I got the second right. But I got the third and fourth switched. Okay.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. So we need to look for ko. Ni. Chi. Wait. I think I messed up. So let's see. Ko. Oh no. Ko. Ni. Chi. Kon. Oh, I know what I did. Konnichiwa. There we go. I got it.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. So na.
Sayonara.
There we go. We got it. Yay! We are weak on what? America. Okay. See, and it shows you the progress that you made right here at the bottom. It shows what you made of progress through the week. How much XP you got. So what words did we learn? 2 sentences, week. Perfect, 5. We learned Japanese, Chinese, British, hello, and goodbye. That's not too bad. And that's just a commercial. Lesson 2. So we're learning, I think, watashi wa in this lesson. How are we doing for time? We're at 10 minutes. I think we can go through one more lesson. Watashi wa Nihonjin desu. Haha, I got it.
私は日本人です。
私は日本人です。私はアメリカ人です。
私はアメリカ人です。
Japanese.
私は日本人です。
私はアメリカ人です。Okay, so this is watashi wa, so it goes first. So it says I am Japanese, but really it's saying I am. Okay, yeah, it is saying I am Japanese, I guess. Okay, I thought, because I said the sentence structure is different, so. Watashi wa Nihonjin desu. Well, this is supposed to be wa, although it's not ha, even though it's giving you the signal of ha. It's giving you the hair gun of ha, you actually pronounce it wa. So. Yeah, let me.
私はイギリス人です。
Which does not belong. Okay, the one that I don't recognize, that's what. No! Come on. There you go. Des, the one I recognize. So how do you say this? You say it without tapping on the mic. I'm going to try to say it. Watashi wa America jin desu. There we go. Watashi wa blank Nihonjin blank. So we need one blank. So watashi wa and then Nihonjin desu. I am British. So watashi wa, and then that's Japanese. I should have said it. Okay, let me try to say it. Nihonjin desu. Okay. And then we have watashi wa America jin desu, and then watashi wa Igirisu jin desu. This is the one.
私はアメリカ人です。
私はアメリカ人です。Wait.
私は日本人です。
私は日本人
日本です。
Haha, got it.
私は中国人です。
Chinese. 私は中国 What? I can't get how Chinese is hard. Okay. 私は This is cheat. 中国人です。私はイギリス人です。And then 私はアメリカ人です。
私は中国人です。
私は中国
人です。私は日本人です。
私は日本人です。Oh, great. Thank you. わたしは私は日本No.
ほんじん です。
Yeah, we got it.
私はアメリカ人です。
私はアメリカ人です。Okay, 私は、No. アメリカ
人です。
See, I didn't even touch that little I for a
私は
hint.
アメリカ人です。
I didn't touch the I for a hint. I'm good.
私はアメリカ人です。
Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this and found this educational. I'm going to end the video here as it is 16 minutes, so I hope you'll join me next time. Please subscribe, and good luck, and have a good day. Bye.